Does GoDaddy use AI? Yes, GoDaddy actively integrates artificial intelligence, AI, into its products and services to enhance user experience and support small businesses in establishing and growing their online presence. 1. AI-powered tools for small businesses. GoDaddy offers a suite of AI-driven tools designed to streamline various aspects of online business management. GoDaddy Arrow, an AI-powered solution included with every new domain purchase. GoDaddy Arrow assists users in quickly setting up their online presence. It helps create customized websites, generate logo options, craft social media posts, and set up email marketing campaigns. AI Domain. Search by analyzing keyword trends and linguistic patterns. GoDaddy's AI-driven domain search provides users with domain name suggestions that align with their branding goals. Product Description Generator. For e-commerce businesses, GoDaddy's AI technology can generate creative, customized product descriptions from photos, streamlining the process of adding new products to online stores. Second, AI integration in customer support and security. GoDaddy employs AI to enhance customer support and security. AI-powered chatbots. These chatbots provide immediate assistance to customers by answering common queries and troubleshooting issues, improving response times and customer satisfaction. AI-driven security measures. GoDaddy utilizes AI-powered threat detection systems that continuously monitor network traffic and server logs for suspicious activities. Machine learning algorithms recognize patterns indicative of malicious behavior, helping to proactively mitigate security threats and protect customer data. Third, commitment to responsible AI use. GoDaddy is dedicated to the ethical and responsible use of AI. AI Guiding Principles. The company has established AI Guiding Principles as a commitment to using AI and machine learning responsibly and ethically, advancing its mission to help business owners succeed.